place is a mess. This place is a mess. We gotta clean this place up, boys. I'll see what we're doing tomorrow. We're cleaning this table up. That's what we're doing tomorrow.
Yes, I'm putting in bedroom.
So I'm walking out here this morning just to take a short video of this awesome sunrise that I'm looking at right now. It's calling for some rain. It's gonna be moving in middle of the day today, so I got to get stuff done this morning before the rain comes in, and then we'll just sit back and enjoy the rain. The water here is hanging, as you can see. We use these push-in nipple waters. We got them from QC Supply. I mean, they're cheap. I don't know, like $1.50 a piece or something like that. You just drill a little hole in the bottom, push them right in, and now you got a self water for chickens. The thing that you can find these in the farm stores, but I want to say they're $25 or $30. But you can do it yourself, just a whole lot cheaper. There's a link to them on our website, triplejfarm.net. There's a direct link to QC Supply for these. These are the push-in style, not the screw-in. They seem to work fine. You know, bucket is, if you have to buy it, a couple dollars. I don't think we've got 5-gallon buckets. All, you know, 5-gallon buckets are like gold on a farm, and I don't know how many we have, but we've never bought one bucket. We've never paid for one bucket. We've gotten them from other places, people throwing them away for whatever reason, but we've never paid for one bucket. So I'm a firm believer you use what you have, and you make the best with what you have for as little money as possible, because this kind of stuff is function over form all day long. As long as it works. We don't care if it's pretty or not. The chickens don't care if it's pretty, as long as it works. So ours works. So as you see, it's I've just got the float valve there. It's hooked to a hose line that runs over to behind our farm store, and it just stays on and keeps this is a half of a 55-gallon poly drum, and it just keeps it full, and they come in here and drink, and it's just an easy solution for watering on small acreage with small number of livestock. If you have a large number of livestock, this is probably not big enough, because you need to have a tank big enough for several cows to water at the same time. This tank is the size where maybe one, maybe two, but it can come in here and drink at the same time. But again, we're only talking about 20 animals, so it's plenty big enough. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed electrician, as you can imagine, but I do know how to relocate stuff like that. If you do this at home, be sure you secure the power. That's the disclaimer, which I did. That power is controlled by a simple light switch. So by turning off the light switch, my wires were dead, and I was free to move the light fixture. So do that first. So we just got the call that our milk is ready. We get all of our milk from a local creamery, in Palmyra, South Carolina, called Countryside Creamery. His name's Kenny Graham, so he just called. He's going to meet us at Broad River. We're going to go pick up 8 gallons of milk. I was in the middle of eating breakfast, so there's breakfast, and I got juice, and so I'm headed, I'm going to run over here to Broad River. It's about a 15-minute drive to get local fresh milk that we drink as a family. It's whole milk, it's pasteurized, it's not homogenized, but we buy extra gallons and we keep it in our farm store. So let's roll. So we just picked up our milk. From Countryside, there it is, 8 gallons of fresh local milk from Countryside Creamery there. It's pasteurized, it's not homogenized. We love to have raw milk, but we don't have a good source for raw milk anywhere around here. So, but this stuff is great. It comes from Jersey cows and got a high butter fat content. We love it. So there we go, fresh load of milk, headed back to Triple J Farm. So we're going to attempt to put these 4x4s up here on the tarp to help hold it down. We'll probably have to use some pallets as well. We are finally getting some much needed rain today. It's not been heavy. You probably can't even see it in the video, but it is raining, and hopefully this is a good soaking rain, so maybe if it does this for a while, we'll be okay. So today, one of our wonderful customers from Blythewood came by. Her name's Barbara. Hey Barbara. She showed up this morning and she said, "Hey, I'm loving your YouTube channels, your new YouTube videos. I've subscribed. I'm loving it." And so I said, "Okay, tell me. Just tell me. Give me some advice. Tell me what we need to be doing differently." And she said, "You need to smile more." She said, "You need to smile more." It's actually the same thing that my dad said. Dad said, "You need to smile more." And so I will make a point to do that. I guess trying to start something new with this YouTube. Maybe I was putting a little bit too much thought into this thing, but it is fun. We enjoy farming. We enjoy being out here doing this. The YouTube stuff is fun. We need more subscribers though, so y'all, if you're subscribing, share it with your friends, comment, give us a like or whatever you got to do on YouTube. Help us grow that thing. But it's fun, and we are having a good time. So thank you for the reminder, Miss Barbara, to smile.
All right, Katie, tell us what you're grilling, or what you're frying. Sorry, I'm grilling, you're frying.
These are organic sweet potatoes, and this is our animal lard that I've rendered. And
Pork lard.
Yeah, our pork lard.
Yeah. There you go. Let's see what you fixing to take some out.
I don't know. I don't think they're ready yet, so I think they need to stay a little bit longer.
For those of y'all on the YouTube channel, this may be the first time that you're meeting the farmer's wife. Say hey, everybody.
That's nice.
All right, show us what's in the pot. All right, hey, bratwurst, Triple J Farm bratwurst. Got some sauerkraut there. That's not Triple J Farm sauerkraut.
No, these are not
And
Triple J Farm sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes, though, organic sweet potatoes, fried on the back porch. Some good looking.
Not in the house.
Ma'am,
Not in the house.
fried.
Outside. Fried outside.
There we go. Good looking food.
That's fine.
Daniel, Daniel, you hungry?
Don't tell me no.
Jace, are you hungry?
I'm starving.
Starving. Tracy Bell, you hungry?
Yes. Yes, very.
Want to see me?
Yeah, I want to see you go. Good job, buddy. Give me five. Give me five.
Say some gun, some.
Give me five.
Yeah. I'm good.
Go. Good job, buddy.